Hello kids, how are you doing? In this video we are going to see World Rainforest Day. It would be interesting to know a day is dedicated to celebrate for rainforest. World Rainforest Day is observed on the 22nd of June to raise awareness about the preservation of rainforests. On this special occasion, people all over the world come together for various events and campaigns with the aim to promote strategies to preserve rainforests. What is rainforest? A rainforest is simply an area of tall, mostly evergreen trees and a high amount of rainfall. The World Rainforest Day also gives an opportunity to environment enthusiasts to celebrate this precious natural resource and to inform people about its protection. History of World Rainforest Day. With the efforts of groups called the Rainforest Partnership, the first World Rainforest Day was introduced on the 22nd of June in the year 2017. The plan behind launching World Rainforest Day was to protect rainforests across the world as they are an integral part of the ecosystem. Rainforests play an important role in climate balance and provide fresh water and clean air to us. Despite providing various resources, rainforests are being ruined and an area of 1 billion hectares of tropical forests has been destroyed due to deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that are lost for other uses such as agricultural croplands, urbanization, or mining activities. The Rainforest Day is celebrated with a theme. This year the theme is Protected Together. Now. Forever. Every year, various NGOs and organizations working for the environment organize various physical events to celebrate the day. Due to the ongoing coronavirus crisis globally, there will be no offline events this year. However, virtual webinars, activities and discussions have been organized for people by many NGOs. We will meet in next video.